Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Brad from Lakeside Bait and Tackle, just doing a quick little ice report on the inlet in Delavan here, right at the boat launch. We got some ice. There has been a few guys out fishing, so we're going to check the ice here real quick. Bear with me, I'm by myself, so Doug had to work today. We're going to do our full ice report on Saturday and probably do Como as well on Saturday, so stay tuned for that. So probably 40 feet, 50 feet offshore right now, so let's check the ice. There's 5 inches right here, so we'll go out a little further. Just about even with the bridge here. Pretty far offshore now. Still looks like there's about 5 inches. I don't know, 150 feet offshore or so. Pretty far out. But yeah, about 5 inches in the inlet here.